Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Libra air sign. So this is general, this is monthly reading, July reading. So let's see your recent past. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Libra, your recent past. So your recent past, Nine of Swords, the Emperor and the Empress. Wow, both are the Emperor and the Empress is here. You both could be powerful couple, definitely. You both stand by your power, and one person in this connection is very sad. So let's see what is going on your connection. One person couldn't sleep at night times. They're overthinking. Nine of Swords. So let's see what is going on your Eight of Pentacles. Okay, the Star. You or your person could be Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Two of Swords. So let's see clarification cards for Eight of Pentacles. Perceptive projections and I think one person is right now concentrating on their career, and they are at some crossroads what to choose, what not to choose, because one person want this connection and one person right now they want to focus on their career. That is the issue. I think it is one person, that's why feeling very sad. And Queen of Cups is here. So the energy between both of you is very lovable, and projections, the one you both are fantasizing about each other, and definitely rightness. One person is Nine of Pentacles, concentrating on their career. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Libra. Isolation. One person is very heartbroken. Flowering. Queen of Pentacles. I think it is women who want this connection. Sorrow two times, Nine of Swords. Definitely one person is not happy in this connection, because whatever may be the reason, one person is not happy. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Playfulness, Page of Wands. We are the world, Ten of Pentacles. Yes, one person right now concentrating on their career. Fighting. Page of Swords. Consciousness, Ace of Swords. Yes, I think your person later on realizing you both and want to offer brand new beginning with you, but it will take some time, because right now playfulness, they want to come to talk to you in and out in your life. That's why you are feeling very sad. They don't want to commit to you. That's why you are feeling very sad. But in near future, their consciousness, they will feel this connection, how much important to them. Definitely they want to offer stability to this connection, but it will take time, because right now they are in their career, finances issues. They are not concentrating on relationship right now, but in later on they will realize you both and will come towards you and offer this long-term commitment to you. So until you have to love yourself, you have to focus on yourself rather than you focus on your person. Definitely they will realize you both and will come towards you. So it will take time. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.